Welcome to PREZI module of the Web 2.0 curriculum. In this module, you will learn about the PREZI platform and how you could use it to create presentations. PREZI can be a valuable tool for teachers looking to create engaging, interactive lessons, foster collaboration and teamwork, and help students develop important presentation skills. The module provides a comprehensive overview of the presentation software. The content of the module includes topics such as general information and functions of the website, a guide on how to create a PREZI account and use it, as well as some tips and tricks. At the end, there is a final assessment to test the participants' understanding of the concepts covered in the module. But first, what exactly is PREZI? PREZI is a presentation tool that can be used as an alternative to traditional slide-making programs such as PowerPoint. Instead of slides, PREZI makes use of one large canvas that allows you to pan and zoom to various parts of the canvas and emphasize the ideas presented there. PREZI supports the use of text, images, and videos, and also provides a collection of templates to choose from that help new users get accustomed to the interface. The platform is supported in various languages and could be applied to many teaching methodologies. With this module, the participants will learn about the functions of PREZI, write questions compatible with the platform. Participants will learn how to use it, make presentations, design quizzes, and surveys. PREZI can be used as an interactive learning tool. Within PREZI, you can create different types of diagrams from templates or from scratch. Here are some examples. When designing your presentation, you place your content onto a large, open canvas. Next, you plot a path by framing elements on the canvas and assigning a sequence to the frames. Instead of advancing to the next slide when presenting, you advance to the next frame. The size, orientation, and position of each frame control the movement between frames. This gives your audience the sensation of flying over the canvas, zooming in to see the smaller frames. To sign up in PREZI, you should firstly go to prezi.com, then click Started on the top right. Enter your first and last name, your email and password that you will use for the login. Next, agree with the text in the boxes. Click Continue and you're all set. When you log in PREZI, the site redirects you to a dashboard. There, you click the plus button and choose whether you want to make a presentation, a video, or a design. Once you click to make a presentation, you will be redirected to a web page where you can choose from hundreds of templates. When you click on a template, you can see every slide of the template. When you decide which template you would like to use, simply click Use this template. Next, you can give your presentation a title. Choose who can see your presentation. When you're ready, click to continue. And you can edit the template. These are the functions on the left side. With these tabs, you can access different slides or choose the path of your presentation. You can make sure that your changes are saved and adjust the topics. The functions on the top center side are Style, Insert, and Share. With the functions on the top right side, you can present your presentation, activate the 7-day free trial features, add notes, and change your profile picture. With the next feature, you can edit and adjust your text. The limitations of PREZI are that the 7-day free trial expires, and the presentations you've created remain in your account and keep their privacy status. However, you will no longer be able to edit them or create new presentations. And if PREZI hasn't worked out for you, you can cancel your lessons at any time. Here are some tips and tricks to help you. You can edit information on the topic by double-clicking. You can also always search for instructions with the button on the bottom right. You can always undo or redo what you did with the button on the left. By clicking this icon on the top left, it will give you options. There is an option, Find, which helps you find a text in your presentation. Adding more presenter notes can make presenting the presentation easier. If something happens and PREZI is closed midway editing the presentation, your changes are always going to be saved. This last section of the video is the self-assessment. Answer the following questions and write down your answers. If you need more time to answer, you can pause the video. At the end, you will see the correct answers. Good luck!